Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be jumping into Chainlink, seeing a 24.67 price point on Chainlink right now. It's looking very, very solid, a 10% increase just in the last 24 hours, coming all the way from that $22 to about 24.66, dropping down back to 22 and right on back up to about 25, and now, like I said, back down to 24.67. There's been a ton of volatility in this market, and we know that volatility is here to stay, and it's always a little bit more volatile on the weekends. We know that obviously in the past, the volume usually goes down a little bit and we see less trading activity. Therefore, the market, kind of juggles around a lot more than usual. However, right now we are seeing a lot of good things out of Chainlink. We're going to talk about some of the biggest partnerships that it got in the last week. One very, very outstanding one that a lot of you probably have already heard of, but I want to jump into it. So this last week has been about a 13% decrease, and the last month being about a 7.35% decrease. And you can see how volatile this has really been. A push up to about $36 and then right back down to about 20. So we've been all over the place, and there's great reasons as to why I believe Chainlink's going to do so well in the future because it's Oracle. Really, what it's doing, the Oracle network itself, we're going to jump into that here as well in just a second. But the $11.3 billion market cap is still very, very, very undervalued in my opinion. The all-time high we were previously at in the year is $52.83. You can actually see it here, $52.99 on Coinbase it says, but $52.83 is the all-time high. Just a lot of possibilities coming in the near future. We can see that 65% buy and 35% sell is the trading activity at the moment. And we're going to take all of those numbers and kind of understand what those mean. So before we do, if you guys don't know what Chainlink does or is, a lot of people probably don't. Chainlink is an Ethereum token that powers the Chainlink decentralized Oracle network. This network allows smart contracts on Ethereum to securely connect to external data sources, APIs, and payment systems. So if we actually take a look at some of the most recent tweets, before we do, guys, I do want to say, if you have not already, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on. We also have a giveaway going on my Twitter account, so Crypto Profit YT on Twitter. If you guys just retweet the tweet and follow me on Twitter, there is a link giveaway for $40. If we, hit $40 before October 1st, I will give someone who retweets 40 Chainlink. If we don't hit $40 by the end of this month, which we probably will not, I will actually continue this giveaway on, just next month and another tweet. So keep that in mind. Make sure to follow me for the update on that. But like I said, we talk about cryptocurrency every single day, and Chainlink's a good one and big one to talk about because we can see here, InputOutputPUT Media actually announced we partnered with Chainlink to help Cardano developers build smart contracts for secure DeFi applications. For a press release, DMS obviously, but there's so much that goes into detail with this. We're going to see big things obviously with Chainlink and Cardano working together. Some of the biggest coins in the crypto space coming together, the communities coming together. Just a lot of support all around for this partnership. If we continue forward a little bit, you can see here the new blog announced just moments ago at Cardano Summit 2021. Our collab with Chainlink Labs gives DeFi developers building on Cardano secure access to wealth or real-world data through Chainlink's decentralized Oracle networks. This is, like I said, absolutely huge for Cardano to integrate with Chainlink oracles for that real-time market data. I do want to jump a little bit farther forward because there is more to talk about than just that Chainlink and Cardano partnership, but just realize how big that is, before we jump forward, because Cardano is right now the number 3 in market cap. We're seeing so much, or such a big community really, with that passive income that you can earn with Cardano by staking. There's even more people jumping on board every single day. I do expect, Chainlink in the future to have staking. We are waiting for that really kind of functionality with staking with Chainlink. Just imagine how fast this value will increase. But I do want to jump into Alchemix Fi has integrating, with Chainlink keepers to automate the harvesting of yield and repayment of user debt. This is actually a 41.4K follower account on Twitter, and followed by people like Block49 Capital, and just a couple different, great Twitter accounts. So I think this is actually a very, very big partnership. We're going to continue to see, fairly solid projects jumping on board with Chainlink. They grab every project they can, and that's why their ecosystem is so massive. We can also see here Junkyard Dogs NFT is using Chainlink VRF on Polygon to fairly distribute from scrap NFTs to users who purchase supply boxes from the junkyard merchant. So this is another just great partnership showing how, Chainlink really does utilize so many different projects, or, so many different projects utilize Chainlink is what I'm looking for there. But, as we continue to move forward, we can see dynamic NFTs are expanding the utility of the NFT ecosystem through innovations such as play-to-earn game assets with varying traits. Read more to explore 16 ways Chainlink's verifiably off-chain data and computation can power the secure next generation of NFTs. This is absolutely huge because Chainlink, you have to realize what kind of state the crypto space is in. It went through this NFT phase just recently, still probably in that NFT phase, obviously, and now we're kind of into a play to earn game, making phase. We have so many games coming out that is our, play to earn kind of concept that kind of want to follow Axie Infinity's success. And Chainlink's there to actually, take up people on their, game development with NFTs being that verifiably random kind of traits. I do want to jump into this Chainlink ecosystem and kind of show you guys what we're looking at now. So 2017, we only had 2 projects integrated, 21 in 2018, 103 in 2019, 2020, 241 different projects. And now in 2021, we're easily on pace to double that at the very, very least, with tons of projects, up to 457 projects integrated in just 2021 alone. So just think about how many projects a day. That's over 2 projects a day by the end of the year, possibly, if we continue on this pace. So just keep that in mind. Chainlink's definitely utilizing what they have and offering it to these projects in a timely manner. We're getting so much utility built around Chainlink. I want to talk about the price now because this is a coin I always love to talk about. I think it's a coin that everybody should understand because it's going to be one that does so well in this Q4 2021 as well as Q1 2022. As the end of the year approaches, I think we are going to see Chainlink pushing higher and higher price targets. I'm thinking anywhere between $80 and $120 by the end of the year at the very, very least. I will say, guys, if you have not already, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on. Also, I'm not a financial advisor, right? So always do your own research before investing. But I want to talk about the end of the bull market. Where do we think Chainlink could be by the end of the bull market part 2? Realistically speaking, I think we are going to be seeing Chainlink push $200 by the end of that bull market part 2. And I am going to give it kind of a max at the $400 range. So $200 to $400 by the end of this bull market part 2, which would be absolutely massive for people holding, a lot of Chainlink. That is me believing in Chainlink to continue to grab these amounts of partnerships. Obviously, they've done it so far. I wouldn't see them, stopping yet. But Cardano is definitely a big one to grab, and I expect bigger and better continuing to jump on and utilize Chainlink. So thank you guys again, like I said, for subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate the awesome support. Chainlink's one that we talk about a lot on the channel because I believe so highly in what Chainlink is doing, what they're accomplishing, and where they're going to be going in this year and the end of the bull market. So thanks again, guys. I'll see you guys all in the next one.